Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Scorpio people, in this reading I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards your partner, your mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Scorpio. Okay. So we have Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. Okay. Three of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, King of Cups, Judgment in reverse. Okay. We have the Strength card and Five of Wands. So Scorpio people, these are your partner's energies towards you. Okay, these are your energies towards your partner. This is the mutual energy and this is going to be the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Scorpio. Okay, let's see what your partner is thinking about you. Okay, so we have Nine of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. Okay. Okay, Scorpio, your partner feels that even though you are projecting yourself as someone who is very independent in life, okay, who has all the abundance and happiness of life, okay, who has all the financial support, okay, you are financially strong in their eyes, okay, Scorpio. But Scorpio, your person feels that there is something which something has happened with you in past, or maybe you are going through some kind of a tough situation right now, okay, because you are not happy. Even though you are independent, even though you are self-sufficient, even though you are projecting yourself as you don't want anybody in your life, but something is there which is not making you happy. Something is happening in your life right now. Maybe you have been through some tough time in your life, maybe some closure has done for you in past, okay. So something is there within your heart, okay. You are sad, you are independent, you are self-sufficient, you have all the money, all the finances, all the abundance, all the prosperity with you, but there is something which is bothering you, okay. And they feel, Scorpio, they feel about you that you are still stuck somewhere in life, okay. Life is a journey, but they see that you are stuck somewhere. Maybe it could be your past relationship, it could be your bad childhood memory, it could be your abusive relationship memory, it could be anything. So something has happened with you in past, that thing is not making you move on into life, okay. You are not willing to let go of this emotion as per your partner, okay. You are not ready to take any action to just out from this Eight of Swords energy, okay, even though you are projecting yourself as someone who is very independent. So something is is happening with you right now, or maybe something has happened with you in past, that thing has haunting you, that thing has, you know, has given you these scars, okay, for the lifetime. But the thing is that you can free yourself. You are completely alone. You are the only hope for yourself. You are the only one who can, make yourself free from this energy. But you are not doing anything, even though your person wants to help you out. Okay, your person is genuinely wants to help you to get out from this eight of swords energy, but you are not doing any action towards it. Okay, I feel, Scorpio, it's your person, okay, who is talking to some people about you. Okay, maybe they are taking some guidance from some people, maybe they are taking some what should I say, yeah, basically they are talking about you with people. They actually want to know more about you. They actually want to get more and more information about you, that what had happened with you or what is happening with you right now in your life. Okay, only then they'll be able to help you. So they genuinely wants to help you, Scorpio. Okay, they genuinely cares about you. That's why they are, they are eager to help you. But the thing is that you are the one who is not letting go this emotion. Okay, so these are your partner's energy, Scorpio, towards you. Now let's see what you feel about your partner. Okay. Okay, so we have Ten of Pentacles, King of Cups, and Judgment in reverse. Scorpio, you feel that your person is somebody who is everything in life, okay? Who has uh, money, who has financial status, who has a lavish life, who has big home, complete family, okay? Who has pets also with them, okay? Who has complete abundance within their life, okay? Plus it could also happen for some of you that you guys are married to each other. Maybe you guys are building a home together. Maybe you guys are husband and wife or spouse. Okay, so you feel that your person has everything in life. Okay, but now you feel that your person is not giving you that much attention which you want from them. With this King of Cups, even though they have emotions within them, even though they care, even though they are nurturing, honest, okay, but you feel that they don't want you. Okay, you also feel, I mean, yeah, it could also happen for some of you because you feel that your person has everything in life. They don't want you. I mean, maybe you are feeling some class, maybe you are going through some class difference or something like that, or maybe there is maybe you belongs from two different religion, okay, from two different continents, from two different uh, countries. Okay, so some class difference I'm seeing. That's why you feel that your person is has everything in life. Okay, you see them as someone who is a complete person. Okay, they have emotions for you, but you feel that they don't want you. Okay, you feel that they want to offer you this King of Cups, but eventually you also feel, I mean, there is some sense of what should I say, um, I mean, you feel that they don't want you. Okay, some you are facing some complex. Okay, you feel that they don't want you. Okay, but I'm not seeing anything. You feel that they want to offer this King of Cups to somebody else. That's why they are not seeing you. Okay, but I'm not seeing this thing because I feel that your person is worrying about you. Sorry, your person worries about you. Your person is talking and thinking about you. Your person is taking guidance or getting more and more and more information about you from some other sources. So this is the reason they are right now, even though they love you, okay, even though they have emotions for you, but this is the time when they are not feeling or they are not they feel that this is not the right time to offer you this King of Cups. Okay, that's what you feel. Okay, and with this Judgment card in reverse, you feel that they have done their introspection work now. I mean, for some of you, I feel that you know that your person wants you, okay, you know that you also wants them, but eventually some of you also feel that your person has done their homework. Now this is the time for them to offer you this King of Cups, but I don't know, or maybe you feel that what is happening with their part, why they are not offering you this King of Cups. Okay, the mutual energy is strength. Okay, okay, Scorpio people, I feel it's your person who has or who is holding you, or maybe who is handling you with a lot of courage, okay, a lot of strength, because they see you as somebody who is fallen apart, okay, with this Eight of Swords. Okay, you project yourself as someone who is very strong minded person, but that's not the case with you, Scorpio. So it's your person who is handling you with a lot of courage and a lot of strength. Okay, they know how to deal with you right now. They know that you are going through some tough time in life. Maybe you or maybe you have been through some tough time in life. They are dealing with you with a very calm mind. Okay, they are dealing with you very uh, courageously. Okay, the future potential of this reading is Five of Wands. Okay. So with this card, I feel it's you. Okay, a lot of conflicts is going to it's taking place in your heart and mind, or maybe some conflicts, or maybe some fight is going on within your heart and mind. Okay, what should you do, or what step you should taken, or what is there for you to do in life. Okay, so maybe some part of your mind and heart wants to let go of this energy, and some part of your heart and mind is saying that no, this is not the right time. No, I mean, you are just uh, you are just stuck in this energy. Okay, so there is lot of conflicts is going on for you in future, but I'm glad that you have this person with you, Scorpio. You are blessed to have this person with you, because they have they are the one who is responsible for you to make some clarity in life. Okay, they are handling you with their love, their emotion, their strength. Okay, okay. So, Scorpio, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign with this Three of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. Somebody, okay, some of you could be dealing with Leo with this Strength card. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Five of Wands. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Eight of Swords. Okay. Yeah, okay, so that was the reading for my dear Scorpio viewers. Scorpio viewers, if any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.